Hey everyone, here's the Harbor Breeze Crosswinds again. There's now new remote batteries that there's like practically. Oh my god, that's dirty. It's very dirty inside. I guess they're just dimmed. There we go. So but now the remote is set to high, so now we can get the actual speeds. I don't think it's gonna make much of a difference because these are not good fans, but still cool to get the difference. This one is pretty easy to pull. Like the pull chain is really easy to pull for a Bull Light kit fan, which is cool. I like when Bull Light kit fans are easy to pull. Not as easy as a newer Hunter Bull Light kit fan, but not bad at all. And it pulls a little bit of air again. Here's high. And there we go, we have an actual high speed now. Pulls a tiny bit of air.